Here we are, cold start of the 1990 Volvo 740. It's been sitting for 2 days now. It's about 0 degrees outside. So let's see what she does. It's a gas, not a diesel, sadly. Starts right up. Idle's fine. That's washer fluid. It says that's missing. That's empty. But I have some. Just haven't filled it up. I'll just let it warm up for the camshaft. You need to wait 30 seconds before driving, because of the oil needs to reach the camshafts. Also can destroy them. It's a 16 valve engine. It sucks on my list because it's no power at all. So give you a test drive. Just need to get the glasses on. I can see something here. It does have quite a knock to it, but it's not the engine, it's the alternator. It's bad. It's charged properly, but it's just worn out. Whoops. It rides quite nice. I drive 100 kilometers in it every day. So it's fine. Sadly, the cruise control don't work on it. It's manual. I wanted an automatic for nice car. I love it. I wouldn't mind owning another one, but I want a 4x4. Nice ride, I love it. Just going across the parking lot here. funny the look you get on some people when you have a camera on your steering wheel.